Welcome back to the IS Companion. The Gestalt approach to psychology offers a unique perspective on how we perceive and understand the world around us. Founded by Max Wertheimer and further developed by Wolfgang Kohler and Kurt Kofka, Gestalt psychology emphasizes that the whole is different from the sum of its parts. This lecture will delve into the basic principles of the Gestalt approach, its application in learning, and significant experiments that illustrate its concepts. Basic principles of the Gestalt approach. 1. Phenomenological experience. Gestalt psychology asserts that a perceptual experience is different from the individual components that make it up. For example, when we see a picture, we perceive it as a whole rather than just a collection of lines and colors. 2. Organized perceptual fields. Our perceptual field is composed of organized wholes, or gestalten, which should be the primary subject matter of psychology. This principle highlights the importance of understanding how we organize sensory information into meaningful patterns and objects. 3. Holism. The whole is fundamentally different from the sum of its parts. This means that our perceptions and experiences cannot be fully understood by merely analyzing their components in isolation. 4. Field theory. Psychological phenomena are best understood in terms of dynamic, interrelated systems. In Gestalt terms, a field is a system where each part affects and is affected by every other part. This concept underscores the interconnectedness of mental processes. Gestalt approach to learning. Gestalt psychology also provides a distinctive approach to understanding how learning occurs. One of the key concepts in this domain is insight learning. Insight learning involves a sudden realization or understanding of a problem's solution. This type of learning contrasts with trial and error methods and emphasizes the cognitive processes involved in problem solving. Kohler's experiment to demonstrate insight learning. Wolfgang Kohler conducted experiments with chimpanzees to illustrate insight learning. One famous experiment involved a chimpanzee named Sultan. The aha experience. Sultan was presented with a problem where a piece of fruit was placed out of reach outside his cage. Inside the cage, there were sticks that could be used to retrieve the fruit if combined correctly. After some initial unsuccessful attempts, Sultan suddenly understood that he could combine the sticks to extend his reach and get the fruit. This moment of sudden realization is referred to as the aha experience. This experiment demonstrated that learning can occur through a sudden cognitive restructuring of the problem rather than through gradual reinforcement. Impact of Gestalt psychology. The influence of Gestalt psychology extends beyond perception and learning to various aspects of cognitive processes. One significant outcome of Gestalt psychology is that it brought cognitive processes into the mainstream of psychological research, moving away from the previously dominant behaviorist focus on observable behavior. Conclusion. The Gestalt approach to psychology provides profound insights into how we perceive, learn, and understand our environment. By emphasizing the importance of whole structures and the interrelationships within perceptual fields, Gestalt psychology has reshaped the study of cognitive processes. The principles of phenomenological experience, holism, and field theory continue to influence contemporary psychological research and applications. Understanding Gestalt principles allows us to appreciate the complexity and richness of human perception and cognition, illustrating that our minds organize and interpret the world in dynamic and holistic ways. Thank you. Follow us on YouTube, www.youtube.com/iscompanion.